Hey guys, my name is Nisha and today I have brought 5 fantastic tips to practice English. Here are 5 very simple and easy tips that all English learners can do every day to practice their English. If you are serious about your English and really want to learn, practicing is just as important than learning. If you do not practice, then you do not improve. It's really that simple. So before we move further guys, I want you to subscribe my channel and press that bell icon so that you do not miss a single update from my channel. Practicing speaking English, and if you do not have a partner, it's okay. Speak English aloud when you read an English book or blog or newspaper. It may not be correct, but the important thing is that you begin to recognize English grammar and vocabulary and structure, and very soon you will improve. Learning English in phrases and sentences is an excellent way to improve your English vocabulary, speaking and structure. Grammar is great for English exams, but generally, day to day, the important thing is to speak English and do not worry about the grammar. Does the other person understand? The more confident you become, the better your English grammar improves. Start speaking about yourself in English. Write stories in English about your past experiences, even a diary, and read it aloud. This is great for general improvement in your English conversation. If you see an English sentence, why not write it using different parts of speech? This really improves your English grammar and conversation, being able to say the same thing in different ways in English. Alright guys, so let's do a quick recap. So first point is read aloud. Find a book, article, magazine, blog and speak when you read for 15 minutes every day. Number 2, learn phrases. We all speak in phrases and not individual words. Number 3, forget grammar. Grammar is important for exams but not for general conversation. It is more important the other person gets your point. Number 4, know your past. Write stories about your past experiences and practice speaking them. This will improve your grammar and confidence. Number 5, and very important, the same but different. Practice writing by using parts of speech for the same sentence. For example, success, successful, succeed, successfully. So I hope guys this video will help you to learn English. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And I'll meet you very soon with the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care.